Ice. It's a mineral found throughout most of the solar system. From frozen treats to ornate sculptures, it would be difficult to imagine our world without it. At Northern Arizona University's Department of Astronomy and Planetary Science, students Patrick Tribbett and Becks Carmack are looking beyond our planet to unearth the mysteries of water ice on Jupiter's moon, Europa.
I work in the PEAKS lab, which is the Processes, Environments, and Astrochemistry on Extraterrestrial Surfaces. We study the chemical and physical processes that can alter ices and minerals that we see in space.
While the ice found on the Earth is water ice, some of the ice found on Europa contains additional compounds like sulfuric acid, hydrogen peroxide, and even different kinds of salts.
I'm looking at the creation of exospheres on icy moons and basically looking at the different particles that make up that atmosphere.
My current project is looking at ices that are relevant to Europa. And that is in preparation for the NASA Europa Clipper mission.
In 2024, NASA's spacecraft Europa Clipper will conduct a detailed reconnaissance of the icy moon, with the hope of determining whether conditions under its frozen surface might be habitable for life.
We're hoping to sort of give those scientists an idea of what to expect on the surface of Europa.
To do this, Patrick and Becks are using high-tech, state-of-the-art equipment to gain a better understanding of Europa's physical composition.
We use a bunch of ultra-high vacuum chambers. These you can pump down to pressures that are relevant to the outer solar system.
And then inside of that, we have a microbalance, which is basically just like a kitchen scale on a very, very small size. And on that, we can grow ice from water that we have attached to the ultra-high vacuum system.
Once the ice is grown, an electron radiation gun is used to chip away particles from its surface.
And from that, I'm able to determine basically the ratios of products that are being knocked off by the electrons striking the ice sample surface.
In addition, Patrick and Becks use different methods of spectroscopy.
Spectroscopy is basically the study of how light interacts with materials. When materials interact with light, they can absorb it, they can reflect it, they can transmit it as well. So those interactions are what we're sort of looking at and studying.
Although they may be over 480 million miles away, Patrick and Becks are helping NASA paint a better picture of Jupiter's icy friend.
For observational work to have any importance, you have to have lab work that grounds it in some kind of truth. Because if we just take a telescope and look at a moon, we have no idea what's going on.
I think that the science that we do in the lab is important. It helps us understand these icy satellites and inform the larger scientific community.